you can see here, brand. I want you to click on that, and from there, that's gonna bring you to this page. You can see here when you scroll down below, you can look for different companies. For example, Black Wolf, Brutal Force, Diet, Fengold, and right here even Zotrim, which is a very famous company. Now that means you can go on and promote different companies for different opportunities, and you can earn a lot of commission online. I want you to check this out. Zotrim Affiliate Program. You can earn up to $40 per sale, and that's what I promised you. I'll show you how to earn $40 per click, and for a lot of people, they're only able to earn $1 per click. So once again, in order to get to that page, all you have to do is click on this link. You can see Zotrim here, and from there, that's going to bring you to the Zotrim Affiliate Program where you can earn 40% per sale. And in this video, I just want to show you one example using the Zotrim. So right on this video, I'll show you an example using Zotrim, and you can repeat this strategy and apply that to any other company. So real quick, let me explain exactly how it works for this particular flip program. So you can join it for free, and you can promote different products offered by Zotrim. You can see here on the Zotrim official website that they're giving a lot of different products. They're offering different solutions to help people to lose weight. So for the different products and different packages that people can purchase on this website, you can become the affiliate and promote all of these products, make sales, and make commissions again and again. One of the reasons why I love to promote Zotrim is because they offer fast and free shipping worldwide. That means you're gonna be getting a lot of sales and customers and conversion. You're gonna have customers from different countries in the world, and most of them are likely to purchase these products because they offer very fast and free shipping in all countries. They're offering really high commission too, so the average order value is about $150, and they have 22.7 conversions. Now, this might sound a little bit confusing, but don't worry about all these numbers. The only thing that you're gonna need to know is that this product is selling like hotcakes. A lot of people buy them, and they're selling a lot of products, and you could be the one to make a commission for every single click. So, moving on, let me show you the payment methods and the schedule. Basically, they do a bi-weekly payout, as you can see here, 1st and the 15th of every month. So every single month, 2 times a month, they're gonna pay you the money, and the payment method is through bank transfer, Skrill, and wire transfer. Now, if you want other payment options, for example, Paytm, PayPal, and so on, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know, and I'll try my best to help you request for that. So basically, a lot of people, different affiliates from different countries in the world, are making really good money to promote Zotrim. You can see here up to $66,500 per year by simply promoting one single product. So if you want to start promoting Zotrim and start making commissions, all you gotta do is click on this orange button, Join More Niche, to start promoting Zotrim, and from there, that's gonna bring you to this page where you can create a brand new account, and once again, the registration is absolutely free. You don't need to invest any money at all. Now, for the partner type, you're gonna choose an affiliate because we're gonna become an affiliate and earn commissions. So from there, just type in your first name, your last name, your email address, and set up your own password. Read on the policies and the terms and conditions and agree to that. Then you can just click on this button to sign up for free. Now, I'll show you exactly how you can earn and how you can make up to $40 per sale again and again on Zotrim. Also, moreniche.com is the URL of our first special website. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video stating, "I will make money today," we'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,000 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, once you've signed up and you've gotten your affiliate link where you can earn commissions, you can now move on to step 2. Now, I want you to go to this website, which is findaforum.net. Once you come over to this website, go and click on this button on top, which is categories, and from there, that's going to bring you to this page where you can find different form categories in different niches. For example, there's art and literature, health, shopping and e-commerce, music, and so on. So if we try to promote Zotrim, which is a weight loss product, we're going to need to get attention traffic and people to click on our link, and for every single click, we can earn money, and if they make a purchase, we can earn $40 per sale on average. So click on this link, which is dieting and weight loss, and that's going to bring you to this page. As you can see here, we can find different forums. For example, 3 fat chickens on diet weight, and right here, another forum, active low carb forum. You can see a whole list of entire forums that you can join, and you're going to be getting a lot of people to click on your link. There are thousands of topics and members on the forums. Now, the strategy here is that you're going to join as many forums as possible. Now, if you want to join this forum, all you have to do is just click on this to visit the forum, and just click on this button, and from there, that's going to bring you to the official forum. You can see here where people are discussing different topics. They're asking questions, giving answers about weight loss, and this is the biggest opportunity for you. You can simply just join this forum and start posting something on those forums, where you can do it without any experience as a complete beginner. Once again, if you keep watching, I'll show you the entire copy and paste template that you can use. You can just copy and change some of the words to that template so that every people who watch this video will not be the same, as it will likely become spam. So whenever people click on your Zotrim affiliate link, you're going to be earning money, and when they make a purchase of any products on the website, you're going to be making $40. So right now, I want to show you different forums that you can join. For example, active low carb forums with over 153,000 members. All you have to do is click on this button to visit the forum, and from there, that's going to bring you to this page. And once again, they work very similarly, and they're getting hundreds and thousands of visitors every single month, and they're interested in this topic about weight loss. To sign up here, click on this link and look over here. Register by clicking here, it is free. Once again, they work very similarly on any other forum, and that's the coolest thing I like about findaforum.net, where they can literally find you hundreds and thousands of different forums in many different categories, and you can just simply join all of them. So now once you sign up for a free account, the next thing is that you'll need a post. You need a template where you can put something on the forum, and that's why I want to show you this entire copy and paste template that I spent a lot of time to prepare. You can see here, check out this natural weight loss solution, and that's where you're gonna plug your affiliate link. Now, once you change all your affiliate links into this template, all you have to do is just highlight everything, just click on copy, and go back to any forum that you want to post them on. You can just go on and repeat this strategy and post on different forums by using this copy and paste template. Once again, this is a proven strategy that a lot of people from different countries in the world are making money from every single day with this method. I try my best to help my subscribers earn their first commissions online, so if you want to get your hands on the script, you can just pause this video, take a screenshot of the script, type it, or use a voice command to type it for you. Change something and make money with it, and so I hope you'll get your first commission with this soon. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.